You're in essence paying these folks to build IP, which is your intellectual property. So next would be requiring ongoing knowledge transfer. So don't let consultants hoard key expertise, key processes and tools in a black box. In other words, everything should be fully transparent to the clients. Everything I did when I delivered project deliverables was going to be exposed to the client in terms of how I got to this answer, why I'm picking this answer, proving the independence of thinking in terms of architectural frameworks that we're bringing forward. All these sorts of things are your property. You're in essence paying these folks to build IP, which is your intellectual property. And therefore, don't let them take that property back off site without revealing it to you. And in some cases, they allow these consulting firms to do it. Now you have to, again, read the agreements and read the contracts. The consulting firms are talking about work products and things like that are proprietary to them, and they're not going to be able to reveal it, and yada, 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 legalese. Say no. Say, hey, listen, look, you have to tell us everything you're doing. Show us your work and how you solve the problem. And that's going to be important to us, is not just having the solution, but how you got to the solution. So next would be review all existing contracts now, and don't be afraid to halt or renegotiate anything that elutes the control or insight of the project. So look at the contracts in detail. If they're already underway, that may be a bit of a problem, but in many instances, you can go back to your consulting partner and say, this really doesn't look fair to us. We'd like to renegotiate this aspect of the contract. And they're usually going to be open to do that because they want to have goodwill between you and them.